Look at you.
Yeah.
Looking so dashly, extremely beautiful.
No, you're looking handsome. Wow. I didn't even expect to see you here.
Look at me.
How long has it been? 10 years?
Yeah, 10 years.
Wow.
Jenny, look
Solomon.
at you. The Miss Abuja campus
Oh,
queen.
you did not forget.
How can I forget that? I can't.
Miss Campus Abuja. Your husband must be very lucky. Your boyfriend, so to say. He must be very lucky to have you. You should be worshiping your feet, you know? Of course, your look is absolutely beautiful.
Stop flattering me. I don't like what you're doing.
He might have to do what he has to do.
Right. Solomon.
What are you doing here?
Hi, baby. Okay, baby. This is Solomon. Solomon, my old schoolmate. Solomon.
What are you doing here?
Wow! Nice meeting you. I'm Solomon.
Get your bag, let's go.
Baby, I say hello to my friend.
Come on, let's take Are you stupid?
Outside. Okay, just
Please be careful with her.
Are you stupid?
She's a lady, you know?
No,
What's wrong with you?
Okay, fine. It's all right.
Get into the car. You
Okay.
stupid. Let me. You should be careful. She's a lady, you know?
Hello.
What? Not again. Why does he keep doing this? Eh? Oh my God. What is that? I don't even know what Jennifer is doing this guy. Eh? If I were Jennifer, I would just leave this guy aside. He's such a molester. Psychopath.
I don't understand. What is wrong with you? Why have you been embarrassing me outside and you've been pushing me?
You have no respect.
No, I have respect.
Are you talking back at me?
I am not talking back at you, but why would you've been pushing me out?
Jennifer, are you stupid?
I'm not stupid. You're the one who is acting abnormal. What is wrong with you?
Are you talking back at me?
Yes, I'm talking.
Are you talking back at me?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Try it one more time now. Blow off your head. What do you mean? Because I've been keeping quiet. Try any nonsense again. Lay your filthy hands on me again. Rubbish. You think
Slap me?
Yes, and I'll slap you and slap you and slap you again. Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Do you realize you're in my house?
Okay, look at you. You want to bring out your belt.
Do you realize-
I won't you. Don't even try nonsense.
Do you realize you're...
I won't.
Why would she end up with such an arrogant man? As beautiful as she is? Can't believe this. Jennifer. No. To even think that she was the eye of everyone in the campus and ending up with a monster.
I'm tired. I am tired. I am so tired of this relationship. Sincerely speaking, I am. I'm done. I am done.
Then what are you doing here? Get out. Get out of my house.
You're asking me what I'm doing
You
here.
broke my head and you still have the audacity to talk to me?
Are you kidding me?
I caught you with a man and all you can do is
Is
tell
what?
me you're done with the relationship?
I am not getting out of any
Get
house.
out! Get out of my house!
I am not getting out of any house. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? You caught me cheating. Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? Are you not hearing that you're damaged? You are damaged. Instead of you to ask questions, you hear me call on the call? Ask me. Who is that? Gently.
You've broken my head. Can you see? Can you see? Jennifer,
Listen.
leave my house.
Listen to me, okay? You do not have any right over me again.
You don't have any right over me again. What else would you say? Oh, that I'm in bed and I come to beg you. Yes, I beg you. Because I try to be the reasonable one. I beg you. What else do you know how to do again? After begging you, okay, you get yourself, maybe the evil spirit is gone and then let's make up. Let's have a make-up sex.
Jennifer.
That is only what you're good at, oh. That is just what you're good at.
Jennifer.
Rubbish.
Leave my house. You have no home training. Fine. You have no home training.
Fine! Fine!
Why are you screaming?
Fine! I have no home training because you don't know how it hurts me.
Get out.
Rubbish!
Get out of my house.
And if you try anything again, I will hit you on the other end.
Get out. Get out.
Get out
of my house.
Don't touch me again.
Get out.
Where's the car keys, sir?
Jennifer.
If you try one nonsense again, I'll hit you and hit you again. Rubbish.
Jennifer, I can't believe that fool reduced you to nothing in this town.
I'm done. I am sincerely done with this relationship. I am done.
You sure?
I am sure. I mean it this time, Nicole. I mean it this time.
Honestly, I don't believe you. Eh? Look at how that animal you call your boyfriend turned a fine babe like you into black eye with wipes all over your body. Look at. Who does that? Eh? Jennifer, the earlier you realize that that relationship is not healthy and walk away, the better for you. Before that guy sends you to your early grave.
You see what I did to him? The way I broke his head, he's never going to forget it in a lifetime. Oh, bish.
I don't understand the whole thing. Does that really matter? I mean, you saw a toxic relationship, you still went deep into it. Eh? Jennifer, you can't manage a cycle. That guy is a psychiatric case. He belongs to a psychiatrist, believe me.
I don't understand, Alan. I just don't understand it. I was only being human, remain in that relationship, trying to get or understand what's wrong with him and know if I can help him out.
Are you expecting anybody?
I'm not expecting anybody, but I know that person knocking is Alan. Please, Nicole. I don't want to see him. I beg you in the name of God, I don't want to see him.
It's alright, I'll handle him. Yes.
Hi, Nicole.
Hey, what is it?
I'm here to see Jennifer.
Jennifer doesn't want to see you, so leave.
Hold on. Wait. Nicole, listen. I want to explain. Nicole.
You're still here with your miserable self. Look what you did to Jennifer. Huh?
I'm sorry. I just can't walk away. Okay? I still love her.
Until you kill her. Is that your plan?
I don't want to kill Jennifer. It was a mistake. I still love her so much. Okay? I'm sorry for everything, but I still love Jennifer. That's why I'm still here.
Go and look for love elsewhere. Jennifer is not the one for you. She has moved on. Okay?
Alan, is it not obvious that you and I are not meant to be together? Just look at my body. Look at my face. Who does this to a human being? For 2 good years, two good years I have endured. I have endured. When we're not together, it's heaven. You miss me. You call me. You video call me. Everything is amazing. But when we're together, it's little heaven. We're happy this moment. The next minute you're a beast. Because I can't answer calls. You see me with a friend, a male friend. You're just not human anymore. What happened? You tell me, what is wrong with you? I don't understand what's really happening. Oh God. Oh. I'm tired. No, I'm tired. I can't take it anymore. I'm tired. Oh God, please.
Jonah. It's Jonah now. Jonah.
Sir.
Just get me water to drink.
Okay, sir.
Wait. I hope my daughter is back home.
Yes, sir. But I think there's a problem.
Problem?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean?
She came back battered with bruises all over her body with a black eye.
What? Oh. I think that bastard have laid his filthy hands on my daughter again. Maybe until I jail him and his generation for life. That's when he will stop. Jennifer! Why exactly have you decided to kill yourself in the hands of that bastard?
Good evening, Daddy.
There is nothing good about this evening. Why have you decided to kill yourself before your time? Don't you keep quiet on me. Is that guy the only boy around that you can frolic with? Look at your eyes. Look at your face, your whole body. Look at it. Look at this. Oh my God. Pick your call now. Pick your call. Your phone is ringing.
Daddy, please, can you just stop doing what you're doing?
Will you stop trying to stop me from doing what I am doing? Haven't I tried several times to do it myself, my own way, and you kept begging me that you love the idiot? Commissioner, greetings. Some fool just raped and assaulted my daughter.
No, Daddy, I was not raped.
Shut up! And I would be mighty glad if you send your boys to number 23, Osaribe Dennis. Yes, I want you to detain him for rape, for assault, and for battering until I decide what to do with him. Oh, thank you. I can always count on you. Thank you. I want to know if the idiot thinks he has money. Let's see how far he can go. Yes. I will make sure I deal with him.
Listen, I'm not proud of what I did, okay? But I felt disrespected. I caught her with another man, and I tried to talk to her about it. She became very aggressive and started challenging me. Who does that?
Alan, can you hear yourself talk? Can you hear yourself talk? She disrespected you. That is not enough reason for you to lay your hands on a woman. She's a woman.
On whose side are you?
Listen to me. I don't know, I don't care who is wrong and who is right here. My concern is you are not supposed to lay your fingers on a woman. If you are looking for whom to fight with, I am here. If your finger is scratching you, come and fight with me. I am here to fight you. I am here. Fight man to man, not man to woman. She is a woman.
I wasn't like this before. You decided to come out. You got tired of hiding, didn't you?
I don't understand. What do you mean? Hiding? I wasn't hiding.
What were you doing?
Babe, I don't understand. What are you saying?
I just saw you. You literally saw me and you ran into the shop.
Me?
Yeah.
Come on, baby, that wasn't me. I've been in there. I was getting some stuff for myself. I didn't run. What are you saying?
You didn't see me right now?
Baby, I didn't see you. I've been in there. What is it?
Okay, who's the guy I saw you with?
Babe, come on.
The
Babe.
guy you were standing right here with. Who was that?
Babe, are you being serious?
Yes.
Me standing with a guy? Oh, come on. It wasn't me, baby. I've been inside. What are you saying?
Are you saying I'm hallucinating?
Baby, see, I don't know what you saw, but that wasn't me. I'm just coming out now.
Wow.
Believe me.
Okay.
Babe! You know, baby, as long as you keep making sweet love to me with this your thing, I will never stop crediting you. You know, right?
I like the sound of that.
You know, you have proven to be a master in the game. And I love you for that.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Who was the guy you were hiding from that day at the mall?
Come on, baby. It's nobody. That doesn't matter.
Is he your boyfriend?
Okay, fine. He's my boyfriend, but you know, he's not good in bed. He doesn't even know how to suck, not to lick a woman. So he's just as good as useless. So he doesn't matter, baby. Come on, let's go for the 5th round. You know what I mean? Come here. Ow. Babe, it's not what you think. Babe, please, I'm sorry. It's not what you think. He's just my friend. He just came in. Babe, please listen to me. It's nothing. It's not what you think. He's a friend. He's nobody. Babe, I'm serious, please. I mean what I'm saying, babe. Babe, please don't. Babe, stop. Babe. Babe! Babe!
You can't leave me hanging like this, girl. Come on.
Are you okay? My boyfriend just got me. No, really?
I understand you. But that is not enough reason to lay your hands on a woman. That doesn't justify laying your hands on a woman. Are you expecting anybody?
No, come in. Who's there? Come in.
Who is Allen?
What?
I said, who is Allen?
I am, and what's wrong? This is my house. What can I do for you?
I am Inspector Bayo from the state CID. You're under arrest for assault and attempted rape.
Attempted rape?
Ali, rape? How?
Rape? Rape who? Who raped who?
Are you coming with us or you want us to force you?
What? Hold on, I don't understand.
I said, are you coming with us or you want us to force you? Get him.
Ali, I think you should go with them. Ali, just go with them.
Move it. Don't waste our time. Move it.
Get up, please. Let's go.
Move it.
That's wrong.
Move it.
Let's go.
Well, I didn't.
Right away.
We had a fight.
Let's go.
We just had a fight.
Move.
Let's go. Move.
I'm not smiling. Move it.
Move. Let's go.
Stay out of this.
Let's go.
then I hear you beating up my daughter. Do you know the kind of man you're dealing with? Do you know whose child you'll be messing up with? No one messes with my child and goes scot-free. And I'm going to make sure you go in for it. When I leave here, I am going to call the commissioner of police. I'm going to tell him to charge this case to court. To charge you for assault, to charge you for battery, and to charge you for rape. Nonsense!
But sir, I didn't rape your daughter. We just had an argument and it led to a fight. I still love her.
You love who? You love who? My daughter? And you beating her up? Giving her injuries every time? You don't kill her for me? Do you know what it means to be battering my only daughter? The only possession that I know I have?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for what? You're beating up my child regularly, every now and then? Yes, like I said, I am going to charge you for assault, for battery, and for rape. I don't have any other child. I don't have any, there's nothing else other than my daughter. And if you try that again, I'm going to make sure you will have time to try that again. Because you will not in jail. Take him back to cell. Take him back to cell. Yes, sir.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
You sounded so tensed on the phone. What were you saying?
I am tense because Allen has been arrested.
I like that.
I don't understand. My dad arrested Allen and he's in detention as we speak.
That serves him right. That guy's a big fool. He deserves what he got. Eh?
Cool.
Just look at you. He probably wants to blind you and jump to the next available babe. Don't you get it?
What are you saying, Nicole? Yes, I frown at what he did, but he's not supposed to be where he is. My dad is even doing too much. Don't you think he's doing too much, getting him arrested? He's gone overboard now.
When he was busy beating you up, he should have known what he was getting himself into. Eh? He can't beat up the only child of Chief Gomez and get away with it. Or didn't you tell him who your dad is?
My point exactly. Didn't.
You mean you didn't tell him you are the daughter of one powerful political juggernaut in this town? Why now? Eh? If you had told him all these things would have stopped a long time ago. Maybe you enjoy his beating. Probably afterwards you guys will make up in bed. What nonsense.
Sorry, please. Are you trying to insult yourself? Because it's not me you're trying to insult. What are you saying? I'm telling you that Allen is in detention and here you are saying what you're saying. Listen, my dad has already threatened that he will use the help of the commissioner to send Allen to prison and he's going to accuse him of assault, battery and rape. And you're here being this calm.
In as much as I like what he's getting right now, but did he rape you?
No.
He didn't rape you now.
No, he did not rape me. He didn't.
You see?
What is you see? I know my dad. I'm telling you that I know my dad. Every word he has spewed out of his mouth, he would definitely see that he carries it to the very last.
Babe, you're the cause of all this.
How?
You should have told him who your dad is for him not to fall into his trap.
Nicole, if I had said so, we wouldn't be in a relationship. The relationship would have ended.
I don't know.
Nicole, you don't know.
You figure that out.
Nicole, Nicole, you're supposed to help me here now. An innocent man is about to go to prison. Are you heartless? I'm fine, no. If it's this bruise, it will go. But just help.
Talk to your dad, please.
Nicole, you're my friend because you have a good heart.
I can't do anything.
Nicole, you're my friend because you have a good heart. Oh,
this nonsense.
Daddy, please. I beg you with everything you hold sacred. Please, release Alan. Just free him. Let him go. Please, Daddy.
No.
Daddy.
What if he had killed you?
Daddy, he didn't. I'm here. It was just lovers' squabble. Daddy, you know. Please.
Same language. Same words that Nikompu told me. Jennifer.
Daddy.
You are in a toxic relationship. And I expect you to know that it's about time that you quit such a relationship to keep yourself alive.
Daddy, I'll quit. I'll quit. Just release him. Let him go. I'm going to quit the relationship, Daddy.
Jennifer, no. For laying his filthy hands on my only daughter. No way. My friend, the commissioner, will move him to Kirikiri and have him charged for 3-count charges of assault, battery and rape.
Daddy, no. No, Daddy, he did not rape me now. He didn't. Daddy, why do you want to lay a false accusation on an innocent man? Please, I'm begging you, just release him.
Alan cannot be innocent.
Daddy, he's...
Yes. He signed his death warrant the very day he laid his filthy hands on you. He's even lucky. I should have sent my boys to sniff life out of him. Or better still, I could just have gone there to do it myself. But then, I just want the Lord to take his course.
Daddy, his only crime was just hitting me. And I'm alive, I am here with you. Just release him, Daddy, please.
I'm sorry, my daughter. He made a mistake. Nobody touches my only daughter and goes scot-free. No.
Daddy, it's me, your only daughter. I'm here. I'm still here with you. Please just release him, I beg you, Daddy.
Will you stop this?
Daddy, please. Daddy,
stop this!
Okay.
Get off my side. I say get off my side.
Daddy.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion.
Please stop. Okay.
This is mental.
Are you not tired?
Just come to me.
No.
Come to me.
Baby, no.
Come to me.
No.
1,
2,
3, 4,
Okay, wait.
5, 6. Just quietly come to me.
Come on now. Okay. It's fine. I love you more.
What?
I don't know.
What's that? My perfume?
Yeah, your cologne, it really smells nice.
You like it?
I love it. Can I have it?
I can give it to you.
Really?
Of course I can.
Thank you. I miss you more. But I'm here with you and you're missing me.
I know, I can't get enough of you.
I love you, baby.
Remember the tears, the fight, the memories we created in the silence of midnight. But now
I love you.
I love you more, baby.
So tell me, when am I meeting your parents?
My mom's late.
What?
Yeah, she's late. She died when I was 7.
What? Your mom's late? Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear this. My condolences.
Baby, it's okay. It's been a long time.
What happened to her? Babe?
It's a domestic accident.
I'm so sorry to hear that, okay?
It's okay, it's fine.
How about your dad?
My dad, he's around. He's also a government worker.
Oh, okay, like a civil servant.
Sort of like.
Okay. I'm sure he misses your mom.
Yes. So.
It's okay. I'd like to meet him.
Excuse me, baby. Hello?
we are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Oh, thanks, babe.
It's okay.
Just give me one of the drumstick. Oh, I have one.
You have one
Yeah,
already.
just-
You need more?
Yeah.
This one?
Of course. The drumstick. It's fine.
Let's take it.
Okay, fine. You can have it.
Thank you.
Right, then just give me the other one.
This one or this
Yes,
one?
yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
There you go.
That's fine. I'll come for this later. All right. Yeah. Just try to stir it a little bit. Just mix it up.
Hello, Richard. You want my house? I'm not around. I stepped out.
Hey. What's that?
Oh, Richard, I'll call you back.
My friend dropped that phone. Are you out of your mind?
I don't understand. Why are you flaying up? I was just...
No respect. I'm right in front of you and you're answering your boyfriend's call.
Boyfriend, babe, I was... Boyfriend? What do you mean by boyfriend? I was just answering
Are
the
you
call.
talking back at me?
No,
Are you talking? What the hell is wrong with you? Come back here. Come back here. I said come back here.
I'm tired. No. This is not a relationship at all. Okay.
I was calling you.
I don't understand.
Did you hear me call you?
I heard it. So what is it? What do you want again? What is it?
Were you not raised well? Were you not raised well?
What are you saying? Can you just calm
How
down?
dare you speak to your boyfriend in front of me?
But I wasn't. Just calm down. Let me
have
explain
that phone.
myself. Why?
Are you stupid? Give me that phone. Stupid.
Oh, God.
Every time. Why do I keep meeting cheats all my life? Why? Hello? Who the hell is this?
I'm sorry, sir. I am the laundry guy. I have a message for Madam Jenny. I just dropped my father's clothes for the security man. I couldn't wait because I have another customer waiting for me.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to put my hand on you. I picked the call and it was some laundry guy.
You're sorry.
I apologize. I overreacted. I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You are not. I know definitely that you're not sorry. You're not.
Listen, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Okay, you meant it.
I'm sorry. Listen, I picked the call and it was some laundry guy.
Because you picked the call, now you know who called. Not so.
No, you just walked out to me and I was calling you and you didn't...
No.
I thought you were talking to...
That's the point. That's the point. Leave me alone,
sorry.
please. I beg you.
I love you.
No, I just need to go. I need to leave here because this place is not good for my mental health.
I love you, man.
No, you don't love me. You don't. Because if you do, you won't lay your hands on me. You lay your hands on me in the morning, afternoon, night, when I pick calls, when you see me with...
Hold on, babe. Please don't be like this. I overreacted. I promise you.
Please, can I just go? I need my phone. Let me just go. This place is not okay for me. I beg you.
I apologize.
Please, you don't apologize to me. Just let me go. Okay. The fact that you're standing here, I'm shivering.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I promise never to do it again. I promise I will never do it again.
I need to go. I need to leave.
Are you leaving me?
I don't know. I just need to leave this environment. Just let me go. Let me be. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Thank you.
Marshall! Marshall!
Madam!
Open the gate.
Hey, listen. If you touch that gate, I am going to deal with you. Do you understand me? Yes. If you touch that gate...
Marshall, open the gate.
Madam, Oga say make I no open gate.
Can you hear me out?
Can I hear you? What do you want to say?
I'm sorry. I don't know what came
over you. You don't know what came over you. How would you know what came over you? I asked for a boyfriend and not an abuser. Do you understand me? Now, what is wrong with you? Can you even tell what is wrong with you? You can't tell, right? Marshall, open the gate! Open the gate, Marshall!
Okay, make I open them.
Marshall, open the gate!
Rubbish.
Jennifer.
Please, I beg you in the name of God.
You're my everything, my sweet, my darling, my dream come true, my moon and sunshine. You're my everything, Onyankemo, my dream come true, sweetie, darling, You make flowers bloom. You make stars collide in the sky. I don't know what I did to get lucky like this. I feel special.
Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? Eh? Why are you calling me?
My sweetie, my darling, my dream come true. My moon and sunshine, you're my everything. Oh, Yankee Mo, my dream come true. Sweetie Mo, darling Mo, baby, baby Mo, my dream come true.
It's a no, it's a no, please. Eh?
Every night and day.
It's not the first time you're hitting me. Can't deal with this cycle. Rubbish.
Whenever you are away for so long. Cause I can't just believe you are mine to keep. I want you by my side all the time. Baby, baby, my. You're my sweet, my darling.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Jennifer, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for laying my hands on you. I shouldn't have done that. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry? Is something wrong with you? You're sorry?
Please, forgive me.
Forgive you? Forgive you?
You know, I keep asking myself. I just don't get it. I don't understand it. I keep asking myself.
Listen,
Jennifer,
I'm...
You just shut up! I'm not done talking. I'm not done talking, okay? You see, I deserve better. I do deserve better.
Jennifer, listen, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have laid my hands on you. And I promise you, the next time I do it again, walk away and never come back.
And you think I have that time? I don't. So please, get away from here before my dad sees you. Do you understand?
I want to meet your dad.
You want to meet who? Who do you want to meet? Get out, please. Get out.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
So, after 1 month, we made up. But Alan, he didn't stop there. He did not. You always flare up at the slightest provocation. Just at the slightest provocation, you would just flare up.
Sure. Painful?
No, sweet. Baby.
Yes, love.
Can you remember the last time you did this? Like, write me a love poem, told me you love me, like, buy me flowers and all of that. Can you remember the last time you did all of that?
Babe, what kind of question is that?
You know, I want to know the last time if you can remember when the last time you said you loved me. And, you know, the poem, the hugs, good hugs and pecks all over my face.
I actually thought you were joking.
No,
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
For real?
For real. Like, I just...
How do you Babe, like, seriously?
Like, seriously, it's a harmless question I'm asking. I want you to answer. I just want to know if you remember the last time...
Are you kidding right now?
No.
Okay, what's your definition of love? How can you define love in your own language? How can you express love? I buy you things. I buy you gifts. I make sure you're fine. I give you foot massages. I take care of you. How else do you want me to express love?
I don't understand it. Why are you even listing all these things? I do these things. Why are you reacting
I'm just asking you, what's your definition of love?
Baby, why are you reacting the way
Hold on, what's your definition of love?
Don't I take care of you? Don't I buy you gifts? I'm literally giving you a foot massage. And you're saying this to me? Why are you sounding ungrateful? You know what? Put your leg down. When was the last time you gave me a foot massage? When was the last time you washed my clothes?
I don't know.
When was the last time you paid attention to me? Jennifer, when was the last time you did laundry in this house? What the hell is wrong with you?
But babe, I do these things. I don't understand. Why you being manipulated? I don't get it. I do these things. I only asked a simple question that you're supposed to give me an answer to, and you're being...
I'm being manipulative. That's what you're telling me. You're very ungrateful, Jennifer. So I am being manipulative right now because I asked you to tell me or explain to me what your definition of love is. Don't I love you like I should? Okay. I totally get it. You want me to sit down here, right? And confess my love to you. You want me to tell you I love you in the morning and tell you I love you at night and write you messages, love messages, and sing you to sleep because you think I'm jobless, because I don't have a job. I go out, I walk my ass out, come back here to take care of you, and you're sitting down there and telling me that I don't love you. You think I'm those jobless guys you've been messing around with? Is that what you think of me?
What are you getting at?
You think I don't know? You think I don't know what you've been up to lately? How you've been messing around town with those guys? Those guys you're trying to compare me to?
Are you really accusing me of cheating? Are you?
Jennifer, be careful. I won't say this again.
But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't say this, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the head of a
Is that not
that's
it?
gone away.
Simple question, simple answer. But no.
Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us.
Alan, you would have just managed your anger. You would have just managed your anger, and I kept on telling you this. I kept on telling you, but you refused to listen. This is just the reason I did not want to tell you that I am Chief Gomez's daughter. I refuse telling you. I refuse telling you. Because I know my dad. I know that he's evil. I know what he can do. I know the powers that he's got. This is it. Where are you now? Oh, God, please. No. I know that you hurt me, I know, but I'm not going to let you rot in jail. How am I supposed to let an innocent man go to jail? Did he rape me? No, he did not. So why? I know my dad. I know who he is. Powerful, influential, very wicked. Please help me. I want you, if only you listen to me. If only you listen to me, Alan. If only you listen to me.
This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do.
Babe, how far with your dad threats on moving Ali to Kirikiri?
I'm scared. Nicole, I'm scared to death.
I blame you in all this.
I don't understand. You blame me? How? Why?
You should have told him about your dad before now.
Nicole, I had my reasons now.
Which is?
I don't know, like, if I had told him, he would get scared and then walk out of the relationship. We won't be in a relationship. So I didn't want to risk it.
God. Listen, babe. That guy must not go to prison over a false allegation your dad made.
I know, Nicole, and I'm doing everything within my power to make sure that he's out of there.
I keep saying it. If you had listened to me and walked away, when you found out that this guy derives so much joy in hitting you, all these things would have been avoided. Huh? Just look at it. What if he gets poisoned in cell?
Gets poisoned? That would be my dad's undoing.
God, listen, fretting about this won't help. All you need to do now is to stop your father. Okay?
We are invisible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do.
So, like play now, this is how Chief Gomez wants to waste this guy in that police cell. No. Something has to be done to avoid the story that touches the heart. I think this is where I will have to come in. Yeah. Hello. Barrister, good morning. Sorry, are you at your chamber now? Oh, you're driving to your chamber. How long will it take you to get there? All right, I will meet you there. I'll meet you there. Okay. Thank you.
I remember the laughter, I remember the tears, the fight, the memories we created.
What of those two suspects yesterday now?
Those criminals?
Yes.
They did it.
Okay.
And what of the file yesterday? Are you done with it? The file? I'm almost done, sir. I'm almost done. Just give me some minutes, sir.
Please.
Jennifer. You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, I'm begging you. I need to see the person you arrested, please.
Auntie Jennifer, Oga said we should not allow you to see those two people.
Those two people?
Yeah, you can't see them.
I can't see them. Okay, please. See, listen to me now, I'm begging you. Let me see them. Those two people now, they are the reason I'm here. Let me see them, please. I beg you in the name of God.
Lock up. Sir, go and bring them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Go fast about it. Okay?
Thank you.
Let me see.
What? Stan! Alan! Stan, what are you doing here? Alan, what is Stan doing here? Please, what is he doing here? Why is he here? Why did you detain him?
Your father, Chief Gomez, asked us to detain him.
What? On what grounds? What did he do to you people? What did he do? Stan, what did you... Alan, please, what's happening? Why is he here with you?
Stan came to bail me. Your father instructed them to
detain him as well. So kindly ask your father to at least release him.
And you people detained him. You detained him for no just cause. You detained him because you were giving the orders to.
Stan, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Stan, please. Alan, I'll see you people, okay? I'll be back. Please.
Auntie Jennifer, don't just put me for trouble, though. You, take them in.
Okay.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
Commissioner, I can't stand it. You know, I can't stand the fact that that idiot raped my daughter.
You are a politician, right? Who seems to have everything he has just to satisfy his whim and fantasies, not so? Almighty Chief Gomez, not so? So what? Is it not?
Commissioner, please, can I call you back? Thank you. Jennifer, what brand of madness has gotten over you that you have to talk to me rudely? Do you know who I was speaking with?
Do I look like I care? No! Excuse me, sir. Do I look like I care? If you like, be on phone with the president. I don't give a hoot!
What has come over you? No, just tell me what has come over you that I have become your enemy that is trying to protect you.
I begged you. Sir, Chief Gomez, I begged you. Did I not? I begged you to release Alan. Did I not beg you? Answer me, did I not beg you?
No one messes with the daughter of Chief Dr. Gomez.
Oh, really? Look at you. No one messes with the daughter. And you even got the police to arrest his friend Stanley. What has Stanley done?
Because he's an accomplice.
Accomplice to what exactly? Accomplice to what? No, tell me. What is Stanley's offense? Stanley was not even there when I was having the fight with Alan. So accomplice to what exactly? Answer me, sir.
Now go inside. Go inside and let me handle the Nikon Pope myself. I said go inside. Jennifer, leave my presence. I said leave my presence.
I am not leaving, sir. I said I am not leaving until you get on phone with those police and ask them to release Alan and Stanley.
What right do you have to order me around in my house? Are you mad? I am Chief Dr. Gomez and nobody does that in my house.
Okay, sir. But just understand that you have 1 hour. You have 1 hour to get those boys released and also drop your false charges else.
Jennifer. Jennifer, you telling me yes?
Don't dare me. Please, I beg you, don't dare me.
Jennifer.
Don't dare me.
I should not dare you? You have the temerity to talk to your father like that? That I should not dare you? Okay, Jennifer, I dare you! I dare you right now!
Sir, I do not make threats. The only thing I make is promises. And I am promising you now, if you do not get them released in 1 hour, you will not like the sound of it. Thank you and God bless you. Rubbish. I said my own. Rubbish.
What's going on? Her mother's stubbornness wasn't this bad. What's going on? I can hear a voice of blackmail. What could that be? What could that be? Jennifer shouting at me. Jennifer shouting at me. Something is wrong.
Daddy, why did you not do as I've instructed? I gave an instruction that Allen and Stanley be released, but it hasn't been carried out. Why?
Is that your welcome? You're asking me stupid questions? Well, for your information, Allen and Stanley will be moved to Kirikiri tomorrow morning. I guess that's beautiful for you.
I don't mind. I don't mind at all. But if anything happens to those boys, the world will know exactly how you killed Mom, your wife, and you buried her. I'm not joking. No, I'm not. You killed her, not so? No, please answer me. Just give me. True or false, did you not kill her?
Jennifer.
What is Jennifer? What is Jennifer? I saw you commit the dastard act. You killed a pregnant woman and you buried her. Not so? Oh, I can see the surprise written all over your face. Listen and listen very, very good. Those boys, they need to be safe. But it is either those boys are out and you're safe, I'll keep short, or they're in prison and you go to jail for murder. Thank you, and God bless you, Chief Gomez.
Must you sleep with everything in skirt? Must you?
You are pushing your luck too far. You are pushing your luck too far. You started again.
For crying out loud, I am pregnant. I am pregnant with our second child and you're still sleeping around. Gomez, what's the color of your problem? Tell me. What do you want in life? Tell me.
Abigail, if you do not like my lifestyle, pack your things and leave my life.
Leave? I am going nowhere. I am going nowhere with this pregnancy. Not for anyone.
Then stop meddling in my affairs.
Then concentrate on your family.
Concentrate.
Yes!
Family. Did you say family? Is this a family? What? I need you to educate me. Is this a family? Tell me.
Is this what I get? I gave my life and future for you. And now, you told me I was your everything. What happened?
I laugh. I laugh because you took a man seriously who was in a high passion of a man who was about to release and saying all these things to make you feel good, to make himself feel good, and at the end of the day return back to Cloud 9, and you are taking that seriously. You taking me seriously? I think you don't have sense there.
I can see how sensible you are. You are so shameless, Gomez. You are more shameless than I thought. Yes, you are. God! What kind of man did I get married to?
Did you just say shameless?
I said you are shameless.
That I'm shameless?
Yes.
Chief Dr. Gomez, shameless?
Yes.
I could go into my wardrobe, pick my gun, and blow your head off. Do you know that?
You won't do such. And if you dare it, and I promise you, you won't go away with it. You won't!
Someday I will teach you not to dare me. Then I know you will be in hell, wondering how you got there.
I dare you do your worst.
food. I want to talk.
What?
I am hungry.
I should give you food. Did you keep money for me?
If I did not keep money, will I not eat? I want food.
Oh! You know where you're coming from. What is good for you? Just go back there and have your dinner. Because there is no food in this house. And before going, please, I want to eat.
There's plenty beer. Where I'm coming from, there's plenty beer. I should go and drink beer. Okay. Let's see.
Where do you think you're going to? Gomez, I am hungry. I am heavily pregnant. I need to eat. Jennifer has not eaten.
Jennifer, I have not eaten. I have not eaten. You have not eaten. No one has eaten. I will.
I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. As the man of this house, provide food for me and my baby.
Leave me alone. I want food.
You what?
I want you to leave.
You and nobody is sleeping in this house without me eating. Nobody, not even you, not your soul, not your spirit. You will not.
You want to die.
I want to die.
You want to die.
I want to die.
You want to die.
Gomez, give me food.
You want to die. You want to die.
Gomez! Oh. Oh.
Jennifer witnessed everything that I did that night. I imagined the question she started to ask next morning.
Dad, where is Mom? Dad. Dad, I haven't seen her since morning. To brush my teeth, to bathe me, to give me breakfast, to prepare me for school. Dad, you're crying.
No.
Did anything happen to Mom?
No. No.
Then where is she?
You asking too many questions. I took her to the hospital.
You took her to the hospital after shooting her.
No. No, I didn't shoot her.
I saw you. When is she coming back with my brother? Dad, why are you not answering me? Please take me to where you took my mom and brother to. I want to see them.
How come Jennifer still remembers this, despite the fact that she was still very young? I don't want to go to jail for murder. I think this is about the time that I did what I should have done years ago.
I'm begging you, your men need to be here. They need to be here before we do something unimaginable. Hey, are you not getting what I'm saying? Please now, I'm begging you. What is wrong with you, please?
Who are you? Call. Tell me, who are you speaking with? Can I have that phone? Can I have the phone, Jennifer? Can I have the phone?
Here.
What I am about to do now is what I should have done many years ago. I thought you were too naive, too young to understand what transpired between me and Abigail, your mother. Now, I know I was wrong.
So what do you want to do now?
You want to know what I want to do now?
Yes, I want to know.
I want to kill you.
Okay.
The same way I did to that stupid woman, your mother.
I can see you're trigger happy. No, you're a murderer. You want to kill your own daughter, not so? Kill me. Kill me and remain miserable for the rest of your life.
Jennifer, do not mess with me. I'll kill anyone who tried to stand on my way.
Just like you killed my mother, right? And you think you can get away with the law? You should bow your head in shame.
I can see you have taken the stubbornness of your mother. And you have decided to go the same way she did. And I'm going to end it right here and now. Come. I'll do anything.
Hold it there. I said drop that weapon. Drop your weapon. For your information, the whole area has been fortified with our men. If you try any nonsense, I will blow off your head.
Please give me my phone.
Chief Gomez, you are under arrest for the murder of your wife, Abigail. Not only that, for trying to murder your own daughter. I advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move. I say move! Move and stop wasting my time! Move! Move! Now you are safe.
Chief Gomez, those who make the law are supposed to abide by the law. For all the pain you caused me, and for killing my mother with her unborn child, you will rot in hell. Rubbish.
This is preposterous. Your dad killed your mom? Oh, baby, you kept this for so long. Oh God. To think that the man who you call a father, who we all thought was protecting you from Alan, was the one who tried to shoot you? I knew there was something off about him when he forcefully accused Alan of rape and threatened to send him to Kirikiri, awaiting trial. Babe, so what are you going to do now? Because I know your dad is not coming out anytime soon.
I don't know. I'll just travel to the States.
What? What happened to the relationship with you and Alan?
Nicole, please. Alan and I are done. We're done. He's the reason I'm in this mess. Can't you see? I just need to get away, like just move away and clear my head. I need to be in order. I need my mental health in order.
Jennifer, you and I know that Alan loves you so much. Just that he's having insecurity issues.
And I don't care. Insecurity issues, my foot, I don't care. He's the reason my dad is in prison. I locked my dad in prison because of him. Can't you see it? I need to get away from everything that would remind me of what I did to my dad. Get away from everybody.
I know about that, but I must be sincere with you. Your father is not a good man.
Oh, please, shush it. I beg you in the name of God, Nicole. Please. Your father what? My father is bad. I know that already and I told you he's bad.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering.
I can't believe Chief Gomez was arrested last night for the murder of his wife, Jennifer's mother. He even tried to kill Jennifer for threatening to expose him to the police. That man is really dangerous. The police would have thrown me in jail for rape, a crime I never committed. But Jennifer saved me. She brought out a secret she had kept for 27 years.
But our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. But our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do.
What are you doing here? No. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry for everything I have done. Please forgive me.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Are you being serious right now?
I'm here to say I messed up. And I promise you, if you give me one more chance, I'll never mess up again.
Why are you here to say you're sorry when things have gotten out of hand?
I am a changed person.
You're a changed what? A changed what?
Please, Jennifer, I know I messed up. I promise you I'll never do them again.
No, you can always do them. No, you should continue with the way you're changed.
I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're changed. I'm tired.
Jennifer,
I'm tired. Please, just don't touch me.
Jennifer, listen. I'm so ashamed of myself, but I promise you I'll never do that again. Just give me a chance to prove.
Alan, leave my house. Do you understand me? Leave my house.
Oh, please, hold on. I love you. I still love you. I still do. I'll always love you with all my heart.
Sick in the head.
Excuse
me.
Jennifer, wait.
Don't touch me.
But now it's just an echo, a distant fading sound. I'm just here wondering, alone. I'm just here wondering, alone. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums.
Hello? Hi, Nicole. So sorry, please. I'm so sorry for everything. I need your help. What? You can't help me. Why? Bro, please, I'm so sorry. Listen, it was a devil. I didn't know what came over me, but please, I need your help. Who? Jennifer is leaving the country? Are you serious?
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you say I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the hand of a love that's gone away.
What is it? I don't understand you. What's your problem?
Jennifer, I was told you're leaving the country. Do you want to leave me behind?
You can't do this to me. No. You can't leave the country without me. Please, don't go. I just spoke to your friend now and she told me that you're leaving the country, that you're leaving me.
Alan, it's late. It's late. I'm an only child. I wanted to have a sibling and then a brother came, but he died. My dad killed them both. Reason I wanted you to be a brother to me. I just wanted you to love me. I wanted you to just love me for who I am, be who you are. I didn't even want you to know where I lived. I didn't even want you to know who my dad is. Can't you see that I was trying my best to just make sure that I am the real me with you?
Jennifer, please.
What is Jennifer, Alan? What is Jennifer? Why are you calling me? Can you not see that things are already... Please, I don't know. You messed things up a whole lot. I don't know what to do with you. I kept on begging you. Don't touch me. Don't hit me. But still, when you do that, I'm still there. I still cook for you. I still wash your clothes for you. I still pet you like my man, hoping that one day you will change, but no.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry, please.
I promise I'll never do that. Listen to me.
No, you're promising now, but I'm scared already because I know you will do it. You cannot change.
I'm ashamed of myself, Jennifer. I'm not perfect, but I'm here saying to you that you can't leave me. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to kill myself?
Alan, my dad is in jail already, and it's because of you.
Okay.
It's because I love you. That's why I put my dad in jail, so you'll be free.
Hold on. Can we start all over?
No, we can't. We cannot. I'm scared. I can't stay with you in the same room. Even here, I'm scared because anything might happen. Alan, please, just go. Just take your bad attitude somewhere else. And then if you decide to change, to God be the glory for the next person who would see you and then love you. Excuse me, please. Please,
sorry.
just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
We are invisible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone.
Alan, you can't continue like this.
Stan, I'm afraid. I'm scared to start a new relationship as a result of my past.
What exactly are you scared of? Why can't you get over that girl, Jennifer?
I still love her. I can't get my mind off her.
Alan, listen. As far as I'm concerned, she is your ex. Yes. Move on with your life.
I can't move on.
Why? Let me tell you, if I'm to advise you, you don't even know if she has found someone else over there in America and you are here killing yourself. Move on with your life. She's gone.
Listen to me. Jennifer cannot be compared to anyone else. I have been with all kinds of women, and trust me, I'll choose her over and over again. I will.
No matter how you paint it, no matter how you romance the word, no matter how you nurse the word, you've lost her. She is gone. Yes. The best thing you can do is to go out there, look for another beautiful girl. There are so many fishes in the ocean. You are handsome, you are rich. Yes. What is holding you?
If I have or had the opportunity to make a choice or wish for anything in life, I'd wish for Jennifer to come back to me. I would want to shut my eyes, and when I open them, I want to see her right in front of me.
Alan, This is no time for witches. If witches were horses, beggars would ride. Do you know my wish? If I am to wish and close my eye, I will see Rihanna standing before me. That's my wish. And you and I know that it will never happen. So face reality. Move on. Forget about someone that is gone. Okay? Move on with your life.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
Hey, babe. Look at you, you're glowing. With this Niger weather. No, you can't draw comparison. Come on. The weather in abroad is fairer than it is here in Nigeria. Believe me. So how are you doing?
Just trying to get to my
I understand. I know what you're going through.
My dad has been sentenced to 10 years in prison to go on Shopify. You can see I'm going through a traumatic experience. It's just me against the
It's okay.
I blame myself.
Jennifer, it's not your fault.
Yes, if I had done the way you had and where you believe absolutely more than
Let's look at it this way. It could be the spirit of your late mom crying for justice. Yes, I know so. Even Alan is finding it difficult to move on. I mean, he still thinks about you. Why is it that each time I mention Alice's name, it's either she locks out or she'll hang up on me? It's alright.
I can't wrap my head around watching you do this to yourself.
Stan, you won't understand.
Right now, I don't even want to understand. You know what? I am going to matchmake you with my distant cousin. Yes, she's very pretty.
What kind of a friend are you?
The kind of friend that have his best friend interest at heart. Let me tell you, Georgina is a wonderful soul. I bet you will fall in love with her at first sight.
Hold on, Stan. So my relationship with Jennifer hit the rocks and all you can do is matchmake me with your cousin?
For God's sake, this is 1 year Jennifer left you, my guy. Move on. What do you want to do to yourself? Do you want to kill yourself because of Jennifer? She's gone, she's gone. This is 1 year. Sometimes I ask myself, how do you maneuver midnight crisis? How do you do it? How do you face the crisis? Early morning erection, don't you have it? Are you sure you're still a man? What are you doing to yourself? Sometimes I get scared of coming close to you before you start seeing me as a sexy girl. What is wrong with you? You are a man, you have feelings. Or if what you have done there is no longer working, tell me, I will suggest drugs for you. I cover my back with blood of Jesus. He's not even shaking. Only you know what your problem is.
We are invincible.
Alan. Gina. Alan.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's my beautiful cousin I told you about. Gina,
What?
the girl I told you about. Oh, Please excuse me. Hello, James. Where are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Please, what can I offer you?
A glass of water.
A glass of water. That's what you want?
Yeah.
Alright. Cold, room temperature?
Room temperature.
Alright, that's fine. Get it for you. Just a minute. Glass of water.
It's you I want, not the water.
Sorry, you said you wanted a glass of water earlier.
I want you.
Wait, hold on. What?
I want you.
You want me how?
Yeah, it's you I want. Meanwhile, I enjoyed you. You are so good in bed. Miss, can you come help me fix my bottom?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, done. Can I get your account details so I can transfer some money to you? Money for taxi.
I'm not here for the money.
What?
I like you, Alan. My brother told me a lot of good things about you.
You don't understand. I need to pay for taxi. Can I get your details, please?
I'm fine. Okay? I need to leave.
I want to pay for your taxi.
I said I'm okay. Besides, I am not a hookup girl. I need to leave. Bye. Take care.
What the hell just happened?
Stan, who is Georgina?
I have told you before. Georgina is my distant cousin.
What does she do for a living?
She's an online marketer.
Online marketer?
Yes.
What else does she do?
I have told you what she does for a living. What else do you want to know?
Cut the pretense, man. What else does she do?
I've already told you what she does for a living. She's an online marketer.
Okay.
Did you guys do it?
Do what? Oh, she told you already. Stan, cut the pretense. She told you already.
Told me what?
Your cousin is a whore. Do you know that? She is a horse in bed.
My cousin is a whore? For helping you?
Helping me? Is that what you have to say? Your cousin is a siren in bed.
Listen, Alan, no. I will not have you tongue latch my cousin before me. No, I can't take it, please.
Okay.
She's my cousin, please.
Get into the car, let's go. Your cousin is a horse. She's a siren in bed.
Gina, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I introduced you to my friend to know if things will go on well with both of you, probably go into marriage. You went and told him that I brought you to come and help him pack his baggages. Are you mad? Are you insane? What is wrong with you? Are you that cheap? I said, are you that cheap? I don't expect you to go pants down for someone you just met. Are you okay? I saw everything. You were all over him. You were all over him as if you have not seen a handsome guy before. You even slept with him 5 consecutive times. 5 consecutive times. You knocked him front and back, up and down, without protection. Are you that cheap? Are you that cheap? So why didn't you collect the money he gave to you? So why didn't you collect the money?
Why should I? Were you expecting me to collect the money?
Before? Why won't you collect the money? Who are you? You are a prostitute. You are a cheap prostitute. Yes. Even the prostitute I know, they will demand for money before anything. Before sleeping with him, they will demand for money. You did not demand for money. Protection, 0. He poured compiled congeal inside you 5 consecutive times. Congealed sperm inside you 5 consecutive times. Knock you like a mad dog. I just picked a mad dog and gave to him. You did not come out from a house. You came out from zoo. A good prostitute will collect money. Yes, that's what you showed me. You are very shameless. My sister.
Come in.
Hi, Ellen. What are you watching? Can I sit? Thank you. What are you watching?
Put your leg down.
What is wrong with me crossing my legs?
I said sit properly. What happened that day was a mistake. It will never happen again.
But you enjoyed the woman in me. The experience was awesome. Alan, I love you.
Leave my house.
Alan, you can't possibly ask me to leave your house. I thought you and I already have something going on.
There's nothing going on between us. Please, just leave. I said get out.
Fine.
What is stopping you from getting married? I seriously do want to know.
It's been difficult to get a replacement since I lost Jennifer.
Obviously, you are still attached to Jennifer. Get her off your mind. And the one for you will appear. Huh?
So that's the difficult part. I can't.
I know you still love her. But you have to move on with your life.
It's hard. I can't.
I think at this point, I have to come in. My colleague at the office has a very beautiful, well-behaved daughter.
Another matchmaking?
How do you mean? Wait. Hold on. Has anyone tried matchmaking you with a lady?
Matchmaking is not my thing.
Mom and Dad are very worried about you. Everyone in the family are worried about you not being married. Please, you have to do something about your singlehood.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now,
Sister Naomi, I didn't know you were around.
I came in yesterday.
Wow. So how is your kids and your husband?
Everyone is fine.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you. Stanley, I called you because of my younger brother.
Okay, what about him?
He's not challenged attitude. Not showing interest in getting married. He's getting the whole family worried.
Yes, you're right. But I believe you should know where he's coming from. You're part of this family and you're very close to him. You know what transpired between him and Jennifer. He's still finding it very difficult to come out of it. But I believe with time, everybody will be alright.
Stanley, this is 1 year now. He broke up with Jennifer. At least by now, he should have gotten over her.
You know the quantum of love your brother have for Jennifer is too much. It's so alarming. So I think we should give him more time. I believe time, they said, heal all wounds. I believe with time, everybody will be alright. Let's just give him more time.
Stanley, I do not want to lose my parents because of Alice's carelessness. They are all I have got. I don't want to lose any of them either.
Yes, you will not lose anybody. I assure you that. I think I will still be trying my best. I'll work on him. Believe me, everybody will be alright at the end of the day. Yeah.
Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Mommy, please. You guys have to take it easy. Please. I am here now. And I promise you, I will make sure my brother do the needful. No, now. Mommy, no. Why are you sounding like a broken record? Why? Oh, no, Mommy, no. Mommy, you are hurting yourself. Mommy, calm down. Mommy, calm down. I'll make sure my brother gets a wife.
Good afternoon. Please, who are you? Mom, my name is Georgina. I am Stanley's cousin.
Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
So what do you care for?
Ma, are you Alan's sister? Because the both of you look so much alike.
Yes. I am his older sister.
Wow, I thought as much.
Thank you. Thank you. So, what do you care for?
Nothing. I'm alright.
You mean you don't want anything? You said your name is Georgina, right?
Yes, Ma.
So how come Stanley has never told me that he has a beautiful girl like you as a sister? Are you married or engaged?
None of the above, Auntie. Auntie, I'm actually here to inform Alan that I'm carrying his baby.
Wow! What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a good news. Good news. Wait. You mean you are pregnant? You are pregnant for my brother? Wow!
Yes.
I love you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow. So, what's the plan? I mean, what of you?
Ma, I realized that I haven't seen my flow ever since my encounter with Alan. So I came to inform him, so we'll pick it up from there.
I am overwhelmed. I'm so excited. Wow! That's a good news. It's a good news. Wow. Woo! Have a drink.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome. This calls for celebration. Wait, let me even call my brother safe and share this good news with him. I'm sure this good news will gladden his heart.
It's fine.
Yes. Kid brother, pick your call. Hello? Hello, kid brother. Yes, I'm enjoying my leave. Even though one thing is missing here, but thanks to God, the Jehovah overdue, the God that answers prayer. I am here with Georgina. She's pregnant for you. What? What are you saying? Are you saying you are not the one that got her pregnant?
Alan, you cannot use me and dump me.
Don't worry, my dear. Everything will be fine. Georgina. Georgina. It's already getting late. You have to start going.
Auntie, I'm not in a haste. I'm going to stay here and wait for the father of my unborn child so we can thrash things out.
Georgina, are you sure my brother is responsible for this pregnancy? Are you sure?
Auntie, the question you should ask is if your brother slept with me.
My dear, all I'm saying is for you to go home. Rest.
I am not leaving this place. I am going to wait for him. Besides, where do you want me to go to with your brother's seed growing in my tummy?
Where is she?
She's upstairs. In your room.
In my room. Really? In my room?
Yes. She's sleeping. Please take it easy with her.
Hey, get up. What are you doing here? What are you doing in my room? How did you get in here?
Alan, I am pregnant for you.
What? You're pregnant for who?
I said I'm pregnant for you.
So how did you get pregnant and who got you pregnant? Because I didn't get you pregnant. We had sex just one time, right?
Alan, how many times do we need to have sex for me to get pregnant? Besides, I was ovulating when I came to see you.
I beg your pardon? What did you say? Hey, listen to me. I'm not ready for this game. This game you're trying to play, count me out. Do you understand me? I have no idea what you're talking about.
I'm not responsible for your pregnancy. That's if you're pregnant.
Alan, take me anywhere and I'll prove to you that I'm pregnant for you.
You're trying to challenge me, right? Alright. Meet me downstairs. Let's go for a test. Let's go! Let's go!
Stan, what kind of a friend are you?
A friend that stays very close to his best friend, more than his relations. What is running through your mind? Are you okay? Alan?
Stan, to the best of my knowledge, you deliberately brought your whore of a sister close to me because you want me to marry her.
Alan, for God's sake, my sister is not a whore. Yes, she might be desperate, which she confided in me that she fell in love with you the first day she set her eyes on you. That was why we were able to have her. Yes.
Did she tell you she's pregnant?
My sister is pregnant. Good news. My man will soon become a father. Good news. I love this. I am proud of you, man. One shot, one entry. I love this. I love this. She's pregnant. One shot. I love this. Good news.
You planned this, right? It was all a plan.
Alan, I did not plan anything. Yes. I think it's time for you to settle down with her. Yes.
I can't marry your sister.
Why?
I love someone else.
I love someone else.
We are invisible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said it didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion.
Nico. Nico Badmus, right?
How come you know? Do I know you?
Of course you know me. I'm Solomon Aki.
What? Jesus! You've grown so big and handsome.
You can say that again. Look at you.
Oh my
You're so beautiful as well.
Oh my God.
You really belong.
Yes, Jennifer told me she ran into you, I think about a year ago.
Jennifer, yeah. So, how is she?
She's okay. She now lives in the States.
Oh, she lives in the States now?
Yes.
With her mad boyfriend, right?
No. They broke up.
They broke up?
Yes. You were actually the reason they broke up. They went separate ways.
I'm so sorry. I never knew my action caused that. Okay. Can you please help me with her contacts?
Why not?
Please.
Why not?
Nico!
Okay,
Okay.
080
080
375
375
66.
66. Okay, I got that. All right. You came here for shopping?
Yes.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
We'll see some other time.
Is that right?
Take care of yourself, right? Yeah.
Someone is at the door.
Auntie. Georgina. Good morning, ma. Good morning. Come in.
What are you doing here? You don't have any reason to be in my house. What nonsense is this? What's she doing here?
Ale.
What are you doing here? Ask her to leave now.
No, Alan. No. I will not do a thing like that. This lady here is with your child. She's carrying your child.
I have made myself very clear. When you give birth, we have to conduct a DNA test to ensure the paternity of the child. But before that happens, you need to get out of my house right now.
Auntie, if I am lying about this whole thing, let me sleep and not wake up the next day. Alan is the only man I have been with in the past 2 months, ever since I broke up with my ex.
Like I said, a DNA test must be done. When that happens, if I am the father of your child, I'll take full responsibility. But before that, I do not want to see you around this house. Do you understand?
Alan, why? Why are you being so insensitive?
What stupid question is that? Okay, you want to know why? Because I'm in love with someone else. And I do not want to hurt her. So get out!
Alan, I love you. I have been crushing on you ever since my cousin told me good things about you. Even before seeing you, that was why I rejected the money you gave me.
I see. Crusher. You think I don't know you planned this with your brother?
No. He only asked me to come meet his friend. Yes, I know I was desperate. But my desperation was as a result of my love for you, Alan. It's fine. I'll leave. I'll leave and never come back.
Baby,
Alan.
Are you sure you know what you are doing?
My darling, my dream come true. My moon and sunshine, you're my everything. My dream come true. Sweetie mo, darling mo, baby mo, my dream come true. Oh, baby. Oh.
So you cannot see me struggling with these bags? You must be very stupid. Didn't you see me struggling with the bags? Will you take those bags into the car and get me out of here immediately?
Come on. Did you just slap me?
And I will slap you again if you do not take those bags into the car and take me home. What is wrong with you?
You just speak those words to me. Me!
What are you trying to do? take me out of this place now, right now.
You know what? To hell with you! To hell with you!
Are you yelling at me? What are you trying to do?
I'm done with this nonsense. Look at the key. Now drive yourself home.
Solomon! Come back here! Solomon! Did you just drop my taxi? Solomon! Come back here! He knows I cannot drive. What am I going to do now? Solomon! Someone humiliated and embarrassed me in public.
So, we were chatting and you went off. I decided to call you to know why. What's happening?
I'm sorry about that.
Okay, that's alright. What are you up to? What are you really doing? What's happening with you?
Everything is fine, and you? I heard you broke up with Ellen.
Please, can we just talk about something else, if you don't mind?
It's okay. You are still as beautiful as always, just the way I saw you a year ago.
Really?
I can't forget how beautiful you were then, Miss Campus.
How could I have forgotten? I didn't forget.
Your laughter softened my heart always.
Thank you for the compliment, but just stop, please. Stop already, okay?
How can I stop when I'm speaking with the most beautiful, elegant girl on earth?
Thank you. Thank you for the compliment.
Just that?
What do you really want?
We are far apart now. I would have loved to say something.
Oh, you can still tell me what you want?
Let me call you back, just a minute, okay? Just hang up, I'll call you back.
Okay.
What? What is it? I just did now to drive my point. Kamara, can't you see this thing is not working? This whole thing is not working. Can't you see? You can't continue disrespecting me and expect me to be cool with it. You are sorry? Tell me, how long will you continue to be sorry? A million times? You go about slapping me? In the public, anywhere? Please, I cannot continue with this. I'm not cool with it anymore. You should figure that yourself. I will not continue to be with a woman who disrespects me. I won't do this. Please, we are done. That is the point. That's exactly the point. You want to make me insane? You can't continue disrespecting me, making me feel less of myself each time I'm with you. No, I won't do this. Okay? I can't just do this. Listen, we are done. Listen, I deserve to be happy and I will go out of my way to make that happen. Please, we are done.
Could it be the one for me? Is it not obvious I feel something for this guy? The feeling is so strong. Should I call him and tell him what I feel for him? No. It's unwomanly for a woman to make the first move.
Baby, ma, you're my everything. My sweetie, my darling, my dream come true. My moon and sunshine, you're my everything. Onyankemo, my dream come true. Sweetie mo, darling mo, baby, baby mo, my dream come true. No, baby, oh. You make flowers bloom.
Hello.
Hello, the most beautiful one. How are you doing?
I'm alright. Busy as usual.
Wow. You are busy with work and I'm here thinking about you.
What are your thoughts about, really?
Jenny,
Okay. Can you just quit stuttering and, talk to me? I'm listening. I'm here.
Okay. Jenny, see,
Just quit stuttering already. Calm down. Talk to me. I'm here. I'm listening.
Jenny, we are miles apart now. But I can't just get you off my mind. It's quite unfortunate.
Okay.
I love you.
What did you say?
I'm serious about this. I truly love you and I want an opportunity for we to be together. Please, I sincerely love you.
Okay, can I give you a video call? I'd want to see you, look you into the eyes and watch your lips move while you say these things to me.
Okay. Okay, video call.
Okay. Hey. Hi, how you doing?
Jenny, there is something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I have a child with my ex.
You're a baby daddy?
Yes. I fell in love with this over-pampered daughter of a millionaire before I traveled out of the country. She told me she was pregnant. And I came back to perform all the necessary marital rites. Only for me to find out that she lacked manners. She's arrogant. She's abusive. She's every bad thing you can ever think of a woman.
Okay, I'm listening.
Seriously, I could not bear it. She has anger issues. She slaps me everywhere, anywhere, in the marketplace, in the supermarkets, anywhere, even before her parents.
Another Allen?
Yes. Another Allen. Jennifer, I want to be happy again. I want to be a fulfilled man again. I truly love you. And I want us to be together. I want to love you. I want you to love me back. I know since I've opened up to you, you might not want to accept me again, and this might ruin the chance of us being together. I just hope you could give us a try. Are you there?
It's a lot to take in.
But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the haze of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Well, I'm still in bed. You call woke me up. Why are you calling me lazy ass? I worked all through the night. Not lazy. How are you? You what? You did? Really? So you're coming back? I can't wait to be with you. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Thank God you're coming back to America. Did you say get married? Get married? I can't wait to marry you. I can't wait to marry you. I cannot wait. Please just come back home, okay? Yes, for real though. I love you too. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Just come back home, okay? Take care of you. Solomon. Solo, on a serious note, you said something while we were on a video call, right?
Yeah.
I don't understand. We're supposed to be friends. Why would you be saying such a thing to me? I don't get it. So what did you actually say to me? Can you now repeat what you said to me?
Do you want me to lie? I said I love you.
I wasn't joking when I said so. I love you.
You what? Excuse you?
I sincerely love you. I'm not joking about this. I love you. And I've always loved you.
Baby, baby, you're my everything. My sweetie, my darling. My dream come true. My moon and sunshine. You're my everything. Onyenke mo. My dream come true. Sweetie mo. Darling mo. Baby, baby mo. My dream come true. No, baby, oh. You make flowers bloom. You made stars collide in the sky. I don't know what I did to get lucky like this. I feel special. I go tell the world that you're my everything. Oh. You're my everything. My sweetie, my darling. My dream come true. My moon and sunshine. You're my everything.
Who the hell is this?
Onyenke mo. My dream come true. Sweetie mo. Darling mo. Baby, baby mo. My dream come true.
What? Jennifer. Jennifer. What? What? What?
I'm standing here wondering.
No, this is impossible. This is not happening right before me. Jennifer, you left me for this guy? Jennifer, you left me! You married this guy, Jennifer!
But you lied to me, he was your cosmate. Women. Jennifer, you told me this guy was your cosmate. So you left me for this guy. Huh? Jennifer, I'll never cry for you again. Jennifer, God will punish you. Jennifer.
We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the air.
Masha! Masha!
But our love lost in the air. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. I remember the laughter. I remember the tears, the fight, the memories we created in the silence of midnight. But now it's just an echo, a distant fading sound. I'm just here wandering alone. I'm just here wandering alone. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do.
Georgina.
What are you doing here?
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the hospital. I went for antenatal. I sold my car and few of my properties so I can cater for this pregnancy.
Okay, I'm sorry for everything, okay? I apologize for how I treated you. And I'm here to show you that I am really, really sorry.
How do you mean?
I have a lot to say to you. But first, we need to clean you up. Okay? I don't like how you're looking. It's okay, don't cry. Don't cry. Like I said, I have a lot to say to you. Can we start afresh? Can we start all over again?
Are you for real?
Yeah. Let's go to the car. Come. Let's go.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental.